Hey guys, Cryptodad here again, and a lot of people are confused about the tag system in XRP, so I wanted to clarify a few things. Now, I did a video a little while back that is still valid about how to send and receive XRP using a tag or not using a tag, and I'll link to that video down below. It's a complete step-by-step. But the long and short of it is that if you are sending your XRP to an exchange from your wallet, you must use the tag. Exchanges require tags. So if you send XRP to an exchange without the tag, it might get lost, and then you might have to spend hours with their tech support trying to retrieve your XRP. The other side of that is if you are withdrawing your XRP from an exchange to your own wallet, you do not need the tag. Now, many exchanges will warn you profusely that you need the tag if you are sending to a destination that requires it. For example, if you were withdrawing from Coinbase and sending it to Kraken, you would definitely need to use the tag. But many people mistake this warning for a requirement. You don't need the tag when you are sending to your own wallet. But what I wanted to update you with is that I was contacted by a user who let me know that there are certain exchanges that do require the tag, no matter what. And he was using Robinhood. So if you're using Robinhood, there is a workaround for the tag requirement if you are sending to your own wallet, because your Ledger wallet cannot generate a tag. So a lot of people go into Ledger Live hoping to somehow produce a tag, but they can't. So let me show you the workaround. So this article here is an official Ledger support document, and the pertinent information is here at the bottom of the article. I'll go ahead and link the article for you so you can read it through if you want to. But the beginning of the article is basically just how you create a wallet in Ledger Live. But here's the pertinent information. Sending XRP to your Ledger XRP account from an exchange usually doesn't necessitate a memo/destination tag, but some exchanges may require one. If required, you can input any string of characters or number as the memo, such as 4 zeros or 4 ones. Bear in mind, some exchanges only transfer to activated addresses. You can activate your address by sending at least 10 XRP from a different source. So I know if all you have is Robinhood, then this might be an issue for you, but you're going to have to figure out how to get at least 10 XRP in the wallet if the exchange keeps rejecting your attempts, right? So in Ledger Live, so yeah, your XRP account must be seeded with at least 10 XRP in order to make that withdrawal from some exchanges. I believe Robinhood is going to want you to have at least 10 XRP in the wallet. This is the so-called activation. Now, you could buy this directly through Ledger Live, but keep in mind, when you do this through Ledger Live, you're actually using third-party payment processors under the hood, right? And there's lots of choices, right? So if you just want to buy that, that 10 XRP, which is, 30, 40 bucks at the most, then you can use they have a lot of different options here for purchasing that activation amount, right? It's only 10 XRP, 10, 20, 30 bucks right now. So go ahead and get that done so that your wallet will be activated, and then you shouldn't have any problem withdrawing your XRP from an exchange like Robinhood, which requires a tag, which you can bypass with the 4 zeros or 4 ones, but it will also require your wallet be activated. Not sure about Robinhood. I don't use it, so I don't know for sure. But if you ever encounter any exchange that is requiring a tag and requiring an activated wallet, then this is how you get that wallet activated. Also, just for sending and receiving with tag and without tag, I've got the video linked down below that explains the whole procedure for using tags or not using tags. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. When you subscribe, there's a little bell that you can click. That will allow you to be alerted whenever I post new content. Once again, thanks for joining me and hope to see you again soon.